Normal mode. This is your standard unaltered recording mode. Next, we have low cut mode. This DSP stands for digital signal processing. Finally, we have KTV mode. This mode is designed to simulate a karaoke environment.
It's an affordable alternative to other expensive wireless mix. The Neewer CM22 wireless microphone is ideal for interviews because it eliminates the need for wires connecting to the camera, allowing for greater mobility and flexibility during interviews without compromising on audio quality. The Neewer CM22 comes with two transmitters, one receiver, two clip-on lavalier microphones, one charging storage case, storage bag, and all the necessary cables and accessories. Charging storage case may charge the transmitters and receivers within 2 hours. Its large capacity allows it to charge the whole set twice. With prolonged operation time, the microphone is capable of working up to 7 hours non-stop. This microphone supports real-time sound monitoring for better sound output. Simply connect the receiver to your headphone to listen what's being recorded in real time. Setting up the CM22 is straightforward. First, press and hold power button at receiver until welcome message appears. Then do the same to the transceivers. Both units sync automatically, so you don't have to worry about complicated pairing processes. Simply place the transmitter on your audio source, the person that you are going to interview or yourself, and the receiver on your camera or the recording device. Don't forget to connect the camera with the receiver. You may use the lavaliers instead of using the transmitters on your chest, as it looks more professional than the bulky transmitters.
First, we have normal mode. This is your standard unaltered recording mode.
In normal mode, the Neewer CM22 captures your audio exactly as it is, without any additional processing.
This is great for capturing the natural sound of your voice or instruments,
providing a clean slate for further editing in post-production.
Here is a quick demo of the normal mode on the Neewer CM22. Notice how it captures my voice clearly and accurately.
Next, we have low cut mode.
This feature helps reduce low frequency noise and rumble. Low cut mode is perfect for minimizing background hums, wind noise, and other low-end disturbances
that can muddy your recordings. It's especially useful for outdoor recordings
or in environments with lots of background noise. Here is a demo of the low cut mode. Notice how it effectively reduces the low frequency noise, making my voice clearer.
Now let's talk about DSP mode.
DSP stands for digital signal processing. This mode applies real-time audio enhancements to your recordings.
With DSP mode, the Neewer CM22
can automatically adjust the audio levels, apply noise reduction, and enhance clarity. This is great for live recordings or when you need to deliver high-quality audio with minimal post-production effort. Check out how DSP mode improves the overall quality of my voice, making it sound more polished and professional. Finally, we have KTV mode. This mode is designed to simulate a karaoke environment, adding reverb and other effects to your voice.
KTV mode is perfect for singing
and having fun with your recordings. It adds a lively, echoing effect to your voice, making you sound like you are performing on a stage. Here's a demo of the KTV mode. Notice how it adds a reverb effect, giving my voice a karaoke-like quality.
Recording modes. Understanding these modes will help you capture the best audio for your projects. Let's talk about mono recording mode.
Mono stands for monophonic sound, where all audio signals are mixed into a single channel. In mono mode, your audio is recorded as one track, with the same sound played through both the left and right speakers. This mode is great for recording voiceovers, interviews, and any content where you want consistent audio across all playback devices. Mono recording is straightforward and reliable, ensuring your audio is clear and focused.
Next, we have stereo recording mode.
Stereo stands for stereophonic sound, which uses two channels to create a sense of space and dimension in your audio. In stereo mode, sounds can be recorded separately for the left and right channels. This is ideal for capturing the full ambience of a scene, making perfect for music recordings, nature sounds, and immersive video content. Stereo recording gives your audio depth and a more lifelike quality, enhancing the listener's experience.
Finally, let's discuss safe track mode.
This feature records a secondary audio track at a lower volume level, typically 6 to 12 decibels quieter than the primary track. Safe track mode is a lifesaver when recording in unpredictable environments. If your primary track peaks or distorts due to sudden loud sounds, the lower level secondary track remains clean and clear. This gives you a backup to use in post-production, ensuring professional quality audio. Safe track mode is especially useful for live events, dynamic interviews, or any situation where you need an extra layer of audio security.
This microphone is incredibly affordable, especially when compared to similar products from competitors that are much more expensive. Despite its low cost, the build quality is excellent. It feels sturdy and well made, which is impressive for a microphone in this price range.